Hi, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and here's another example of the kind of damage we can remove using Paintless Dent Repair. So if you have damage like this and would like to see it go from this to this, then schedule your appointment today. This damage was removed while keeping the original paint job completely intact. So behind me, I have a 2018 Alfa Romeo with a really nasty dent in the passenger side quarter panel. We're going to be removing the dent on this Alfa Romeo by removing the tail light to gain access to the back side of this panel and removing the damage while keeping the factory paint job intact. Well, that crease on this Alfa Romeo quarter panel came out fantastic using Paintless Dent Repair. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, we are located here in Cedar Park at 201 Industrial Boulevard, and you can give us a call at 512-290-HAIL, that's 512-290-4245, or look us up online at www.thereconshop.com. I'm Charlie with The Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.